but something felt so right on that September night. I couldn't explain it, even if I wanted to try. You're not just some ordinary guy. I've been hurt too many times. I've been scared to love again. I've been blinded by my pain. I thought every guy was the same. Then out of the blue, I met you, and I swear I won't change my mind, because baby, you're one of a kind. Now when I look into your hazel eyes, the future lights up in the skies, because something went so right on that September night. It was a feeling I had never felt before. Could it be love? I'll never be sure, 'cause I've been hurt so many times. I've been scared to love